how to fix GTA 5 lag on 8 GB RAM PC isn't quick. First, right click on GTA 5, go to settings and then go to compatibility. Once you're here, go to change settings for all users and then turn on those two options, disable full screen and run this program as an administrator. Click OK and OK again. After that, go to settings, then scroll down, then click privacy and scroll down, go to background apps, and now just turn off this option here and go back, go to gaming and then turn off Xbox game bar, go to game mode and turn it on. And after that, just type here device manager, click on it, and here just click display adapters and right click on your GPU and then click update driver, and here just make sure your GPU driver is updated. Click search automatically for drivers, and that's it. Now after that, restart your PC, and that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.